heavier duty. We're looking at 20. So it's going to be a 25 that we're going to use. Heavy duty 25, all right? You can take the extension now. The extension down. Put it on. Now it's much closer, easier. All right, today we're gonna bring a socket set, and this is a 91 piece, beautiful pieces. They are all set up together. Now they're all uniform, they're all ready to use, but in reality I don't want to even take them out of the box. Sometimes they look so beautiful. Now I use this for a couple of projects. Now if you're working on your car or your truck, because these are heavy duty sockets that you have, you can work out of anything, pretty much from the smallest to the largest. They have every single size, 91 pieces. Like I said, they have an extensions of it, right? Now this is not the long one. If you guys can see, it breaks right here. So you have this piece right here, but they also have options that you could set it up on your impact drill. All right, all the options, all the headers, all the different kind of bolts, even the side angle ones are here, right? So everything's included in here. Now what I like about this, I'm going to try to take one out so you guys can see it. See that? Fine, well made. All right, now to put it back, it's a little tricky. You're gonna have to hit it down so it can lock in place. So when you open it up, it stays together. Now, what I like about this case, not only does it have two additional entries on the side, because it does get heavy. If you're worried about taking this with you on the road, if you're working in the field with trucks, cars, this is your set you're going to need. The only one set you're going to need, to be honest with you. But this is great that they have different options on top of it. Not only does it have the options that I just mentioned, but like I said, it has a heavy duty torque that you could use. All right, reverse and forward, and then like I said, different attachments for it. So if you guys are looking for a great gift for Father's Day, or just a gift, or if you want to upgrade your old ones, that's good. Reverse. There.